Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bite Sized, where we make delicious bariatric weight loss forward recipes that cater to the various stages of your weight loss journey. Today we're diving into a quick and easy recipe, Taco Wonton Cups. These wonton cups are a fantastic option for those of you that had weight loss surgery because they offer portion control and the ability to customize ingredients according to your specific dietary needs. These bite-sized treats are perfect for those of you who had gastric sleeve surgery, like myself, or gastric bypass, or any other bariatric procedure. They're not only tasty, but also suitable for a soft-stage bariatric diet and can be customized for pre-op and post-op as well. It's also just great for people that are trying to get a handle on portion control. Nothing wrong with that. So if that sounds good, let's get cooking. This is Bite-Sized. For this recipe, we're using wontons. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a muffin tin and press a wonton wrapper into each cup, making sure to create enough room for filling. Wonton wrappers generally are lower in calories compared to other flour tortilla wraps. However, corn tortillas may have fewer calories than flour tortillas and can be a healthy alternative. I like using wontons because you can spray them with a tiny bit of cooking oil and bake them and get a very satisfying crunch. Bake the wonton cups for 7 minutes to get them nice and crispy. While the wonton cups are baking, let's make our taco filling. In a large pan that's nice and hot, hit with a little bit of cooking oil. Next, we're taking 1 cup of diced onion, cooking for around 3 minutes. You'll want to get these translucent with a little bit of browning. Next, we're adding a half cup of red tomatoes, followed by a 1/2 cup of green chilies. I like cooking my veggies first, so when we do add our meat in, all those great flavors get incorporated. Next, let's add our taco meat. I'm moving my veggies to the side, creating a well to sear the meat. For this, I'm using 1 pound of 95.5 ground beef. Alternatively, you can use turkey or even ground chicken. I actually just found this out the other day. So when cooking hamburger, you want to let it sit for a moment to cook. If you break it up too soon, you'll release water, which subsequently boils the meat, as opposed to searing the meat. You want your meat to brown. That's how we create flavor, as well as the right texture. I love tacos, but I will not tolerate a rubber taco. It's just not happening. Not today. Once you see the meat brown, I'm going to take it and just flip it real quick, get it brown on that side, and then I can break it up into crumbles. Once I see that these are fully cooked, I'm adding taco seasoning, stir well, and let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Look, you can follow any recipe, but at the end of the day, it's so important to taste test while you're cooking. I took a bite and decided that it needed a little bit of salt. Don't be afraid of salt. Salt adds flavor and draws out water. Less is certainly more, but none can lead to a bland pan of food, and nobody wants that. Now let's put this all together. Fill each wonton cup with a spoonful of taco mixture, making sure to fill every single crevice, and then top with shredded cheese. Bake for another 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is fully melted. Remove the taco wonton cups from the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes. Finish by topping each cup with a little bit of fresh cilantro and a dollop of sour cream for a great look and taste. I actually prefer these to regular tacos. The wontons stay crunchy, and having these in smaller portions really helps me pace myself. I don't feel that pressure to clear my plate, which I think trips a lot of bariatric patients up. I hope you enjoy these wonton tacos as much as I do. They're guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser at any gathering. It doesn't feel like diet food, they are fun to make, and honestly, it's just a nice recipe to have up your sleeve. If you found this recipe helpful and would like to see more bariatric friendly recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out my website, bariatricfood.com, for this recipe as well as many other recipes that I'll be pulling to make future videos with. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, this was Bite Sized.